Welcome to Mr. Hamada Abdul Mawla channel. Today we will listen to a paragraph about what I and my family do on holidays. What I and my family do on holidays. What I and my family do on holidays. Holidays are a good chance for me and my family to relax. Holidays are a good chance for me and my family to relax. Holidays are a good chance for me and my family to relax. We enjoy our time so much. We enjoy our time so much. We enjoy our time so much. We prefer traveling to Harare or Alexandria on holidays. We prefer traveling to Harare or Alexandria on holidays. We prefer traveling to Harare or Alexandria on holidays. We can practice many activities there. We can practice many activities there. We can practice many activities there. I spend most of my time swimming and playing football. I spend most of my time swimming and playing football. I spend most of my time swimming and playing football. At night, we like sitting on a cafe with a good view of the sea. At night, we like sitting on a cafe with a good view of the sea. At night, we like sitting on a cafe with a good view of the sea. My sisters prefer going to the cinema at night. My sisters prefer going to the cinema at night. My sisters prefer going to the cinema at night. The whole family have lunch together every day. The whole family have lunch together every day. The whole family have lunch together every day. My father prefers having fish, but I like having meat instead. My father prefers having fish, but I like having meat instead. My father prefers having fish, but I like having meat instead.